Hi, it's Dr.Tsay, Ageless MD. Today we're going to be demonstrating a case of chin augmentation on a really young patient that doesn't need anything, but she has some concerns about her chin. And just kind of go over basic anatomy. If you look at her face from the front profile and you divide her length of her face into thirds, you have 1/3, 2/3, and the last third here, you can see that if you were to break it up into thirds, the length of the chin falls a little bit shy of 1/3 compared to the other ratios and proportions. Now, adding a little bit of length to the chin is also gonna make her face appear actually narrower and thinner and slimmer. So that's an extra advantage. Now, if you look at her side profile, there is a line that we look at. It's called a true vertical line. It comes from the bottom of the nose and it goes straight vertically. And if you line that up with my Q-tip, the chin falls a little bit behind that line. So it's a little bit recessed. And what you can do is you can add a little bit of filler here to bring it forward just slightly. And that gives an overall more balanced profile. So there's a spot here. What I'm doing here is this is basically a stress test. This is depressing, but it pretty much predicts where your future folds and wrinkles are gonna form. So you can see some kind of hollowness or lack of support right here. So she could use a little bit of filler right through here. And this is called the mental crease, but you see this little small area of lack of support. And what it's gonna do is gonna fill in that shadow. Not only that, but it's gonna also boost up the corner of her mouth. So the corner of her mouth won't, it'll have more support and be lifted and she looks happier. So the product we're gonna be using is a product called Restylane Defyne. This is a hyaluronic acid type product and it's made of a gel. So when we inject it, it's gonna go into the tissue, on the bone, and in the soft tissue. The reason I like this particular filler because it's very stretchy. And I always tell my clients this, when you take the filler out and you play with it, it's like pizza cheese. So it's very stretchy. So on the lower face and the mouth area, when you smile, you eat a big burger, you laugh, like your face is moving. And so having that stretchability of the filler really enhances the natural effect of the product. Another neat thing about chin fillers is when you elongate the chin and you bring the chin out and forward, you will actually help with any sort of double chin issues. Not that she has any, her under chin is actually very, very tight, but if you do have some visibility to double chin, this will definitely help. It's a little pearl too. As I'm injecting the chin, I put my finger back here just to prevent the product from moving or extruding behind her chin in an area that, you know, we really don't need the product. We want to really make sure we maximize the efficiency of this product here.